Page 123, The Lion Sleeps Tonight. A famous melody from a movie. Let's look this over. It's nothing new. We're just using more stuff we've had. The interval of a sixth, I'm sure, is in here. Yeah, it's 4 lines long, treble bass clef, 4/4 time signature. We have a lot of F sharps in here, so okay. Because we're in a D pentascale, really. So really the finger position or the hand position is sort of here with F sharp. One hand at a time because both hands are playing now. So the right hand is starting here. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, tie. And these ties mess people up for some reason. If the rhythm is bothering you, you're not getting the tie, then temporarily take it out and just play all the notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. But once you get an idea of that, then you put the tie in. You just hang on to the note rather than playing it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And that rhythm's all over the place. That's really pretty much it for the right hand. It's pretty repetitious. The left hand, well, you get this chord first. It's a D, an F sharp, and an A. And that's tied for 2 measures. Hold it down for 8 counts, and then the thumb comes up for the interval of a sixth. And then measure 5, the thumb comes back down. It's like it was at the beginning, but we don't have the F sharp. And then for measure 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. It's the same rhythm we had before, except you're only playing one note. So put the hands together. We're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Get the idea, I hope. 1, 2, 3. See, the right hand comes up. You put the hands together and then go back over very slowly and carefully and get rid of the hesitations. And we'll think about the articulation. And this is connected. You can lift up for the phrasing if you'd like, but I think the phrasing is built in for you. So you can connect all that together. And then you have rest, you have to lift up. And the left hand, you just connected it. You can't connect these chords, but try. You get as close as you can. Dynamics, mezzo forte, MF at the beginning, that's the melody. Whatever you think sort of loud is. These, light, very soft. Or not very soft, but soft. You may have to exaggerate it at first. We want to hear the melody. Don't drown it out. No, keep the left hand out of the way. These notes, you can bring those out because the right hand is not doing anything. Then again, measure 9, that's moderately loud, this is soft. Get the idea. And then at the end, the last 3 measures, then get the soft, hairpin get softer, soft. This is both hands here at the end. There's no melody at the end, it's just a chord. It's a 4-note chord. You got 3 notes in the left hand and 1 in the right. It's still a chord. So you just dying away there. And there's an RAT, you can slow that down. You're dying. Yeah. As far as the speed goes, you probably heard recordings of this. And if you were going to sing it, what would you want to sing? It's... They have optional pedal there. I Go on measure 7 and at the end. Optional means you may or may not do it. You can do it if you want to. Don't bother about it. You don't want to. That's fine. If you want to use the pedal, push it down right after you play the note. And lift it up right after you play the notes and measure 9. Here. Simple. And then at the end, again, push it down right after you play the notes. And then lift the pedal and all the fingers and everything up at the same time. There. That's the pedal. Now it's optional. Means you can do it if you want. So how do you know if you want? You experiment. You try it out. Try it without pedal. Try it with pedal. Which do you like better? Yeah, it's up to you. Or your teacher will help you. Frankly, I would just as soon leave it out because I can add some staccatos in here if I didn't have the pedal. But if you like the pedal, put it in. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the louds and the softs. I'm going to play it all about the same. I will pedal it like they're showing just to show the pedal. I would prefer, I think, no pedal, but you can do it there. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 1, 4. 2, 4. 1, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 4. 2, 3, 4. Off. Well, there's a duet for this at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that. You play what you just played. We're going to go a little faster. I need you to go up an octave again. So just pretend the middle C instead of here is here. And instead of here, you're up here. Play it all up here. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2.